In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your ignition coils on your Kia Soul. It's located under your engine cover. All right, we're going to disconnect our negative battery terminal. Use a 10mm socket. Make sure you put your terminal off to the side, not touching any metal. Next, you're just going to pull up on your engine cover. Pull up that gray tab. Disconnect the plug. You're going to use a 10mm socket. Undo this bolt. Set your bolt aside. Next, you are going to pull up, twist it, pull up, and take that out. All right, so here we are. We're going to install our coil with our boot. Slide it in. Get your bolt started by hand first. Snug it up and torque this to 8 foot-pounds. Once that's torqued, we can reconnect our connector. All right, that's good. Now that you've replaced your coil, you can repeat the process for the rest. All right, and now we can put our cover back on, line up a couple of them, and it should all fall into place. And you just apply some pressure and snap it in. I'm going to connect our negative battery terminal, push it down all the way, get a 10mm socket. And tighten it down. Just make sure you check your terminal, make sure it doesn't move once you have it on your battery.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.